Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you have subfolders in your inbox, you can create mailbox rules that automatically move mail into the subfolders when it arrives in your inbox if it contains specific text in its subject or body. This reduces the amount of time it takes to manually sort and organize your inbox and its subfolders. If you need to review the process for creating mailbox rules in Outlook, review Lesson 14.1, Creating Mailbox Rules, in an earlier chapter of this tutorial. Note that you can apply mailbox rules to folders you create as well as your inbox in Outlook. To create and manage mailbox rules in Outlook, click the Rules button that appears in the Move button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Then select the Manage Rules and Alerts command from the Buttons drop-down menu to open the Rules and Alerts dialog box. Ensure you are viewing the Email Rules tab in this dialog box. To create a new mailbox rule, then click the New Rule button in the upper left corner of that tab to open the Rules wizard. At this point, create a new rule that states that mail that arrives in your inbox that contains words in either the body or subject that pertain to a selected matter or case should be immediately moved to the designated subfolder you have created.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.